Welcome to the S1 Pro Quickstart Guide. Let's get started using your radio. Firstly, unboxing. Open the box. You will see the radio first. Take it out and check the included accessories. Hold the radio. Push the battery cover outwards to remove it. Align the battery contacts with the tabs in the battery compartment, and then press the bottom of the battery downwards. Place the hooks of the battery cover to the slots, and then push the battery cover upwards until you hear a click. Install the strap. Attach the belt clip. Install the antenna. Charge the radio via the USB Type-C cable. The indicator light will glow red when charging. It will glow green once the battery is fully charged. Press and hold the on-off button to turn the radio on.
1. Battery high.
Then shortly press the button to enable the voice assistant
1.
function so that you
Battery
can
high.
view the channel number and the battery level. From the home screen, press the menu button to enter the menu. The menu button can be applied as an apply button. From a menu or setting interface, press the menu button to confirm any of your selections. You can press this button to scroll down the menu. From the home screen, press this button to enter the zone selection interface. The channel button also has the return function. Press it to return to the previous screen. Press the volume up/down button to decrease the volume. The big PTT button is easy and comfortable for you to find and press to activate a call. The infinite knob allows you to select a channel or menu and edit the password number freely. You'll arrive at the main screen when you first power on the S1 Pro. Here you can find the following. When you use an advanced feature, its corresponding LCD icon will appear at the top status bar of the main screen. Please check the user manual to learn more icon details. The S1 Pro can operate in digital and analog modes. When you need to make a group call, rotate the knob to select a channel, and then press and hold the PTT key. You can change the mode on the menu. When you need to make a private call, please go to the menu and choose Contacts, then select a contact, and press and hold the PTT button.
Test 1, 2, 3, 4.
Choose the optional earpiece accessory with the PTT function to ensure your privacy and elevate your customer's experience. Find the slot on the L-shaped plug of the earpiece and the bump inside the earpiece jack. Align the slot with the bump. Insert the earpiece plug into the audio jack, and then rotate the plug clockwise by 180 degrees. You can rotate the earbud to fit your left or right ear. Press and hold the PTT button on the earpiece to activate a call. Thanks for watching the S1 Pro Quickstart Guide. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and see you next time.